Hello and welcome to the channel, the Prism for School of Small Business. I am Salome Chung, CEO of Prism for Enterprises. And on this channel, we address the issues faced by small business and we suggest resources, techniques, and tips that can help you address these issues. Our guests that usually put forward out-of-the-box solutions to the issues that face small business. But for the next 4 weeks, I will be focusing on the concept of mindset and whether or not you need a change in mindset to align with your current goals and objectives. My first episode was on the idea of making the switch, the challenge of making the switch in what areas of your mindset do you need to change? Do you need a wholesale change of mindset, or is it certain areas of your life that needs a change in your belief system? Having said that, in this episode, which is number 2, I'm going to be speaking about the maintenance of your mindset. And I'm calling this episode Mindset Muscle. And that is because, in my view, your mindset is like a muscle. You have to, it needs to be nurtured, exercised to keep it strong, and it needs to be sustained. When you make a mindset switch, it is much more difficult to maintain it because it's so easy to slip into what you used to do before or what you thought before. So now that you've made a switch, it becomes a little more challenging to make that, to replace the mindset with your new approach. I would start by making it a part of what we like to call your daily lifestyle. So in other words, set aside some time to really focus on what you've changed as far as your mindset, and whether it's aligning with what you're doing. Now, when you make a mindset change, the whole idea is for that switch to be reflected in the outcomes that you seek. But be mindful that you probably won't see the changes right away, which is why it's important to be consistent and to exercise the muscle of your mindset to make sure that you're consistently focusing on it so that it eventually becomes a part of you, a part of your existence, your mindset, your beliefs, your values. So that is, those are my thoughts today on how to maintain a switch in mindset, because contrary to popular opinion or what most people will have you believe, is that it's just easy to make a switch. Just switch your thinking. Yes, some people have that capacity to switch their thinking on just to switch on a dime. But the challenge is to make sure that once you make the switch, you're not lapsing back into old habits. So exercise that muscle, stay focused, stay consistent, set aside some time in your day to really reinforce the switch in the mindset, to make sure that you don't fall back into old habits, as I said before, and to make sure that you will be getting the outcomes that you desire. So that is what I have for you today, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. and come back again next week for my next installment, which will be number 3 on mindset moves and the importance of making sure that when you're making a mindset switch, you're doing the necessary work to come up with the strategy, the new mindset strategy that is going to serve you best. So until I see you next time, be blessed and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye-bye.